Today, this video will show you how you prepare your training data for YOLO8 using Labelme software. So first you open your Anaconda from and then I'll show you which environment should be activate for that. So first check my conda in the list. Next I'll activate YOLO8. Okay. Then I have already installed Labelme software. Therefore, I just call the Label. Okay. Fine. Now you open an image which you want to train or create polygon from these datasets. Now here I open a datasets. Okay. Actually this data is so hazy, therefore you are not clearing. If I show you, this is my datasets. So now you should create a polygon. Now name of this tree is maple. Okay. Fine. And next draw polygon in the second tree. Now name of the second tree is also, this is second tree is maple. And we'll draw a polygon from the third tree. What is the name of the third polygon? Whipping S. Just copy this name and paste it. Okay. Then save this item to your location where your image is present. So this image is already present, is data trend, so I just save it Json format. Okay, find. You will see that this data set will save is as to.json. Now next I will convert this Json file to PNG format. Okay. So next you open another PowerShell, then conda activate YOLO8 environment. Now we'll go to where we will go this folder. First you type in your directory, that means this is my directory is D. I will show you why I put it as D. Now this is my this is my directory name, the D, and then we will go this if delete YOLO8 data error. Okay, just copy this folder path and paste, type cd and paste. Okay, fine. So after that you should put a code that you will convert this Json file Labelme Json to dataset. Okay, I'll change the name as my Json file name is 2. So okay, I just enter it. It will automatically save my folder location as PNG format. Okay, fine. This was my sample image. This is the label image. Okay, and this is the image with label. This red one is the maple and green was my whipping S. Fine, can just change the directory name. So after that we should convert this PNG to text format. Actually, the YOLO8 model will train the datasets in the text format version. So this conversion will need to open a Python notepad, and after that we will convert it.